Heidi ho, my lovelies, how you all doing? Right, today I want to do a UK halfpenny, or halfpenny, but in our day it was a halfpenny. There's Lizzie. She's got her hair tied back there. I think she's a bit of a biker. I think she's got an old A10. Yeah, she just got off an A10, BSA A10. Right, let's bang a hole in it. Is everybody doing good? I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. There's a little button there. There's a little button, just there, little red one on your screen. You hit that. Come on, hit it. You're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every single day. And today is another day. So I'm doing another video. This is Big Bertha, my 20-ton hydraulic press. And she eats coins for breakfast. That's one thing I don't eat, is breakfast. I mean, when I was a kid, my mum used to make, well, you had breakfast, bit of toast or porridge or whatever. But I'm not a breakfast person. I do like a nice cup of tea. I don't drink coffee. I sometimes drink it when I'm working at the Helsinki Market Square, because you can't get a decent cup of tea there. It's all bloody tea bags on a bit of string with a staple through it. But I have to drink tea. I drink a lot of bloody tea as well. I probably drink about 10, 12 cups a day. Yorkshire tea, I get them sent over from England. I get 1,200 tea bags sent over. And my girlfriend, she's not a coffee drinker, she likes tea, so. The tea bags, they're crap. You go and ask for a cup of tea, they ask you what flavour you want. I mean, Jesus wept. A cup of tea, please. Strawberry? Raspberry? Oh, no, thank you. Bloody great lump of rope attached to it with a lump of cardboard with a staple through it. And they charge a fortune for it as well. 2 or 3 euros for a cup of tea. Well, I get 1,200 tea bags, I think. God, they're not a lot. 40, 50 euros, if that. When I visit England, I used to sometimes go with my friend to the wholesalers and get them, dirt cheap. There's a little bit more. That's better. Let's warm it up with a bit of fire. Yeah, I just do rings now. I do lots of different type of jewellery. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. It's not just rings in there, there's other stuff there now. And there'll be more coming next month, of different products. If you want me to make you a ring, I can do. You can even send me your own coins. Right, I mean, this is made of bronze. I thought it was copper, but when you check it out on the interweb, it's actually made of bronze. Okay, there you go. Looks a bit sad at the moment, but it'll clean up. Well, I think we have to go a halfpenny. So that's going to go face down. got a smaller one that'll fit. No. So I'll have to start off with this one, give it a bit of a whack. Right, let's go over to Big Red. It's a 1 ton arbor press. Yep. One, two. Right, let's break out Sandy. Just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's not got any cracks in it or cheddar gorges. There you go, that's good. Right, now we can go over. Let's spend some more money, shall we? New kitchen roll. Yes, sir. No expense spared here. This is Spike. And he's a ring stretcher. Oh, this is soft as butter. Now, does that mean it's going to split on me? Let's take a butcher's. How's it looking? Yeah, it ain't too bad. A bit more. There you go, half a penny. I thought it was just my camera. Because you look at some of these coins and they look like they're wobbly or bent or... But it's not, it's... somebody else contacted me and said, no, it's the actual... Because when I look at it with my eye, it's perfect. Yeah. So let's go over to the bottom end of the spike. And straighten up them walls a bit. I think we need to go a little bit the other way. Just a tad. Yeah, I thought it was just me or my camera, but well, it's not a camera, it's a bloody phone. No, it's got to go a little bit more. And this is what I'd use if you bought one of my rings and you'd like it made smaller. I'd stick it in this. Still a bit more, I think. Oh, there you go. Up with the eye. Yeah, that's straight. Because at the end of the day, I suppose the lenses on these camera phones are pretty shit, aren't they, really? I'd have thought. It's funny, you look at these adverts on TV now, advertising a phone. They're not advertising a phone anymore. They don't even say it's a phone. Everything's about the camera, what it can do, and I mean, in Finland, you go on a tram or a bus or a train, Everybody, everyone is on the bloody phone. I mean, sometimes I'm on the bus going to Lepavara or Helsinki. Yeah, 20 minutes. And I'm sat behind someone, and obviously the seats are a little bit higher than in front, and you can see what they're looking at. Bloody Facebook, or just shows you how sad it all is now. Nobody looks at anybody anymore. They're looking on their phone. I never look at my phone on the bloody bus. Well, some of these gorgeous looking girls you see, they're on the phone, and you think they're on the phone, and they're looking at, they've got like it's called a mirror type thing, you know, and they're just looking at themselves, and oh, I don't know, bloody crazy. Right, let's put in Felton John. Give this a bit of a polish. It's a bit, oops daisy, it's a bit bland. Right, that's this is just like a felt pad on the end of this. Getting a bit warm. Like, ouch, warm. Ouch. That was 1 ouch too many for me. In the old mingers. How's it looking? I do clear coat my rings as well. I mean, it doesn't last forever if you've got sort of an allergy or something, but you can always give it, chop it up with clear nail varnish. I mean, nothing lasts forever. Right. Slightly clean the cloth. Okie dokie, what we got? There you go, halfpenny. It says, could you hit the like button 1,957 times? Would be great. That's why I use a kitchen roll on the inside. There's no lip on this one at all. I've noticed that with the halfpennies, there's no lips. No lips, no lips. What size we got? This is a size 9, 10, just over 10. But I can adjust it up, down for you. So thank you all so much for watching. Hit all the buttons for me. It costs you nothing, and I really appreciate it. Have a great day, and good willing, I'll see you tomorrow. So bye bye.